Anyone? Prototype. Have you heard that term?
Yes.
Prototype. What does it mean?
Sir, no.
Anyone? Rough idea.
Sir, it is a replica of a real life idea that we are aiming to make.
Right. Basically, prototype is a not a final product. It is a sample product. You know, it is a early design. That means whatever the project we are doing and whatever the product that we have to launch in the later stage, first we have to find what are the outlines, what are the requirement of the customer, right? For example, आप प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हैं, लाइक 7 सेम में आपका प्रोजेक्ट बनेगा. फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू हैव टू सबमिट, व्हाट इज दैट थिंग? व्हाट इज दैट? नो, quite similar to prototype. Synopsis. Have you synopsis? Have you heard the term synopsis? प्रोजेक्ट का सबमिट नहीं कराया अभी आपने synopsis? सबमिट कराया है? अभी synopsis पता भी नहीं क्या होता है. बोलेंगे अभी तुम्हारे को ना. प्रोजेक्ट गेट अलॉट हो गए? Yes or no? सबसे पहले क्या होता है? Synopsis सबमिट किया जाता है. Synopsis is nothing what it is a prototype of the model that you are going to implement, right? Synopsis में we are having the outline of the project, what you are going to make and what are the application and what are the future scope of that particular project. That all should mention in that synopsis. It is not a 5 to 6 pages. It is just only 2 or 3 pages, which contains the outline of the project that you are going to make, and it also include what are the future applications, what modification that you can apply for that. That means synopsis. The same thing is applied with the prototype, right? Prototype, early design, right? So basically, when we were discussing about the prototype, or when we will discuss about the product designing, there are certain phases in product designing. These are the phases that is a product development process, quite similar to software engineering you have studied.
Yes.
What are the phases in software engineering? First phase is what?
Planning, sir.
Planning. Exactly. The first thing that came into our mind, that is planning. Planning means what we have to do, which project I have to make, and what will be the application of that particular project. The same thing that in software engineering, whenever you are going to develop a software, the first one is planning, or you can say the customer requirement. Suppose you are working as a software engineer and you got some project. So first thing that you should know, what is the requirement of the client. Accordingly, you have to create your project, right? The second one is in this process, concept development. Planning, after that concept development. Concept development, the same thing. Means what are the client requirements, what you are going to implement. The second thing is system level designing. वहां पर भी क्या होता है? सेम यही होता है. Analysis, right? Analysis, that same thing. System level design. आपने डिजाइनिंग के बारे में सुना होगा, ठीक है? सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट सबने पढ़ा है. वहां पर आपके पास प्लानिंग होती है, उसके बाद उसका सिस्टम लेवल डिजाइन होता है, और उसके बाद उसका डिटेल डिजाइन होता है. ये दो चीजें हैं, सिस्टम लेवल डिजाइन और डिटेल डिजाइन. डिटेल डिजाइन मींस इट इज द अपर पार्ट ऑफ दिस सिस्टम लेवल डिजाइनिंग. मींस सिस्टम लेवल डिजाइन, व्हाट आर द ओवरऑल attributes for the particular project. What means how you can take input, how you can take output. It is not covering all the internal part of that particular project, but in detail designing each and everything that should be mentioned in this document, right? तो ये सारी चीजें पता होनी चाहिए. डिटेल डिजाइनिंग में आप क्या इनपुट दे रहे हैं, क्या आउटपुट दे रहे हैं, what attributes you are taking as an input and what is your output, right? After that, testing and refinement. First you have developed a project, right? But it is not a completely project unless it is tested. In software engineering, we are having two type of testing. Have you heard the term testing? Black box and white box testing. पढ़ी है ना? अरे तुम तो CS के, तुमने तो पढ़ी होगी, मैं तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का हूँ। CS में नहीं पढ़ी आपने? ब्लैक बॉक्स एंड व्हाइट बॉक्स टेस्टिंग। व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ब्लैक बॉक्स? ऐसा पॉसिबल ही नहीं है। आपने सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ा है एंड यू डिडंट नो अबाउट द व्हाइट बॉक्स एंड ब्लैक बॉक्स टेस्टिंग। नो वन, किसी ने नहीं पढ़ा। क्या पढ़ा है? Black box and white box testing. These testing concern with black box means outlines. Each and white box in each and every part of that particular project is tested. Internal architecture also. But black box is outer structure, not the internal depth of that particular tool. Right? So after this designing, we have to test, and if it is failed, then we have to refine it. If it is unable to satisfy the customer requirements, the client's requirement, then we have to refine it. Refine it means we have to modify it according to the client's requirement. राइट? ऐसा तो होता नहीं है कि प्रोजेक्ट बना दिया और वो बिल्कुल परफेक्ट 100% परफेक्ट, होता नहीं है सॉफ्टवेयर इंडस्ट्री में। व्हाट वी हैव टू डू आफ्टर डिटेल डिजाइनिंग एंड आफ्टर टेस्टिंग, इट इज सबमिटेड टू द पर्टिकुलर क्लाइंट। ही विल टेस्ट, सारे पैरामीटर्स चेक करता है। इफ इट इज वर्किंग देन इट इज ओके, इफ इट इज नॉट वर्किंग, फॉर एग्जांपल आपने वेबसाइट डिजाइन किया, राइट? Whatever the attributes, what are the tabs that you are launching to a particular website, after designing, after testing means you have to test whether each and every tab is working or not. Whatever the hyperlink given is a particular tab, if you are clicking on the tab, if that hyperlink is working, I mean it is redirecting to a particular site. If it is working, then it is okay. And if it is not working, or you can say the clients required more modification in that particular site, then it is come back to that particular software engineer. Then according to the requirement, he refined that particular website, and after refinement, he hand over the whole project to the client, and then finally your product is ready, right? So this is the concept development, then system level designing, then detail designing, then testing and refinement, and finally the production plan.